Everybody loves the impact of a robust inline or a large-scale island, but there are many situations that require a smaller display. For example, the show you're attending may not offer large booth spaces, or maybe you're new to the trade show world and you want to start off small. Whatever the reason may be, tabletop displays are a great option for those in search of something that can fit in the back of your car and can be assembled effortlessly. Here are 5 accessories that will take your tabletop display to the next level. Number 1, branded table covers. When you are exhibiting in a small space, it's very important to take every opportunity that you can to represent your brand. So don't forget to purchase a personalized table cover. This doubles your brand exposure and creates a complete and cohesive look. Number 2, lights. Simply adding lights to your tabletop display will create a sophisticated look and highlight your graphics, making you more noticeable on the trade show floor. Number 3, graphic placards. Placards are another way to bump up your brand exposure and add dimension to your exhibit. Number 4, shelves. Shelving adds structure and functionality to your display, allowing you to display brochures or small samples of your product. And finally, number 5, monitors. Adding digital media to your tabletop display, such as a monitor, provides a great opportunity for you to showcase your products digitally and draw people into your booth. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see these amazing videos every week, and we will see you again next time.